Good morning, champs. Today we solve another limit using factorization, but this time we level it up a bit. We want the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. As always, we start with direct substitution. Plug in x equals 2. We get 4 minus 6 plus 2 over 2 minus 2. That gives 0 over 0. So again, we have an indeterminate form and we cannot evaluate it directly. Now comes the key step. This time, the numerator is not a simple difference of squares. So we need to factor a quadratic expression. We look for two numbers that multiply to plus 2 and add up to minus 3. Those numbers are minus 1 and minus 2. So we can factor the numerator as x minus 1 times x minus 2. Now rewrite the fraction. We get x minus 1 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now we can cancel the common factor x minus 2. So the expression simplifies to x minus 1. Now we substitute again. Plug in x equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the limit is 1. Quick takeaway. If you get 0 over 0 and the numerator is a quadratic, try factoring it into two brackets and cancelling.